How to upgrade Capital One credit card. Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to upgrade your Capital One credit card to a new one with better rewards or benefits. Upgrading can be a great way to enhance your credit card experience, so let's get started. First, log into your Capital One account or their website or through the mobile application. Navigate to your account details and look for an option that mentions upgrading your card. Not all cards are eligible for upgrades, so it's essential to check your options. If you're eligible for an upgrade, you'll see various offers, so take your time to review the different cards available, including their rewards programs, interest rates, and benefits. Make sure to choose one that aligns with your spending habits. Once you've selected the card you want to upgrade to, click on the upgrade button or follow the on-screen prompts to initiate the process. You may need to provide some additional information or confirm your identity for security purposes. Before finalizing the upgrade, carefully read through the terms and conditions of the new card. This includes any changes to fees, interest rates, and rewards. So if you are satisfied with all these conditions, confirm your upgrade. After you confirm the upgrade, Capital One will process your request. So you should receive your new card in the mail within 7 to 10 business days. So make sure to activate it as soon as it arrives. And that's how you upgrade your Capital One credit card. So if this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more financial tips. Thanks for watching and happy upgrading.